First enter your app name, then enter a short name. This name would be added on the user's home screen. Here, write a brief description about your app. Here, upload a image icon. It would be displayed on your user's home screen once your app is installed. And over here, enter the start URL of your app. So this is the URL which would be loaded first as soon as your app would be installed and opened on your user's phone.
Your app is now ready. Once you'll click the download button, you'll get a zip file. So you need to unzip the file, and these would be the files which would be inside it. So you need to do two things right now. You need to upload these files in the root domain or the root folder of your root domain, and also add this script in the head tag of the index file. So in my case this is the root domain folder, and I'll be uploading all the files over here. Once all the files have been uploaded, copy this script code in the head section of your index file. And click save. That's it. You don't need to do anything else. Your Progressive app is now ready. Once you will install and activate the Progressive Apps Builder plugin, it will be displayed on the left menu bar like this. So once as soon as it's installed, just go to the Get Started tab first. So it will show if something is missing from your WordPress blog or WordPress website. So in this case, like, it is saying that SSL is not enabled, but my website has a SSL. So I'll just reload the website. As you can see, I've just reloaded the website with HTTPS, and now it is showing that it is enabled. Suppose in your case, if it is showing that there is some permission error with your root folder, so we just need to change the folder permissions in your server. Once you have checked all these settings, now just head over to Settings tab over here. In Settings tab, you just need to configure few settings, and your website or your WordPress blog would automatically be converted into a Progressive app. So these are settings over here. You need to configure the offline usage. Offline usage means that once your app is installed on your user's phone, few of the pages of your app would be cached in his phone, so that he can browse your website on his app without an internet connection. So you can take it if you want to enable offline mode. Then the second option is of add to home screen prompt. So if when your WordPress blog or WordPress website would be opened on a mobile browser, your website would prompt the user to install your app. So you can disable or enable this option as per your wish. And this is the add to home screen icon. So this icon would be saved on your user's phone once he will install your app. So make sure it is very catchy. So these are the push notification sendings. So ask on load, you need to configure whether you want to ask the subscriber, as soon as the website loads, whether he wants to activate push notification or not. Then there is a push notification button. So you can keep it deactivated, because it will just show a bell icon on your website. So you can keep it deactivated, no problem. And then these are the color settings for this push notification button. Then translation and splash banner. For example, if you want to have a banner ad on your website on your mobile app, so you can configure those settings over here. And we also have a translation option. So if in case you want to give your user to translate the app in his own language, so you can enable it using this option. So basically these are all the settings. And then we also have Firebase settings. So in case of push notification, we are using Firebase, which is a Google service. So what we suggest is that you use your own server key and sender ID. so that you don't face any problems with Firebase. You will have your own dedicated account, and then these keys are available for free of cost, and we'll have a tutorial for this as well. But for testing purpose, you can use our keys, no problem with that. Once you have added all these settings, just click save, and that's it. Nothing more is to be done from your website, from your side. Your progressive app is ready. Once you will start getting subscribers, people would start adding your mobile app on their phone screens, and they'll start accepting the push notification, so you would see those subscribers in this tab, in the subscribers tab, and you can send them push notifications using this screen. So this would be the title of the notification, the body, and notification URL is the URL at which the subscribers would be redirected when they will click the notification which you're sending. And then this is the notification URL icon, so a small neat icon can also be displayed along with your notification. And that's it. It is as simple as that.